Alright guys, I just want to show you this new Mavic Pro case I got from GearBest for $21. It's super nice, super nice. And for $21, I mean, you just can't beat it. It was free shipping from GearBest. I mean, man, you go to the store and you see these cases and you get freaking sticker shock. You think you're buying a damn car, okay? So it comes with the shoulder strap, which I'm not going to use. You know, I don't use those because I don't ride bicycles. So I could just carry the thing in my hand like that. And I will show it to you. I mean, you just can't beat this thing for $21, okay? I'm going to put a link in the bottom in the description. It's not an affiliate link. I don't have affiliates of, I don't do that kind of stuff. But I'll leave it a link in there where you can go and get one from GearBest if you want. They even give you this little nice perfumed thing. It's one of them do not eat deals, but it's got perfume in it, okay? Okay, so there. Okay, so there it is, right there. Give you room for 2 extra batteries, plus the one you would have in the quadcopter. So you could have three batteries, and then I keep the holder over here for the phone, for the transmitter, which fits right in here real nice. Okay. It's got a little bit of dust on it. That's not good. And the quadcopter fits right in here. There it is. And then this little spot over here, I keep, I guess that you could put the charger and all that crap in there, but you know, I don't carry that with me, so I would just charge it before I left. And I keep this little, the legs and the, well, this the legs. I keep them in that little container right there. You know, keep them in there, so that works out pretty good. So yeah, there's room for 3 batteries, the transmitter, and the phone holder right in there. Everything you need. I think it's pretty awesome. For that kind of money, absolutely. You can't beat that for no $21. No way. And it has a real nice feel to it too. It's not like some kind of cheap it's not like some kind of cheap deal, you know. It's real nice. So real nice. I'm impressed with it. Very nice foam, very nice build quality. Has a little thing up here if you want to bring a manual or, you know, any of that kind of crap. You can keep in there your FAA paperwork or any of that kind of stuff. You can keep in there. Keep that on there. Let's see if I got any juice left in the battery. Not much juice left in there. Not much juice left. I think 68% on the transmitter. ADDI mode. ADDI mode is ready to roll. You ever fly your Mavic Pro in the house? No, I'm not doing any flips. And I'm not recording any video either. Anyway, what's it say? 45% battery. It must have discharged on its own because I haven't flown it in a while. Kicks up a lot of wind, this thing, I'll tell you that. All right, guys. Anyway, go get yourself one of them cases if you want to save some money, because they're a hell of a nice deal for $21. Okay, can't really beat that for 21 bucks. It's a very nice case, very, very well made. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Talk to you later.